What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and it's late for me. It's about 2:40 in the morning as I'm cutting this video for you guys. But I got multiple people from Windsor Assembly yesterday hit me up. And usually when that happens, like, look, I get a ton of fake stuff sent to me all the time. I'm just very blessed and lucky to have multiple avenues to be able to verify stuff, right? So I'm able to go to the very top, to the sources I have. I think I just killed the mic, but to the sources all the way up top. Or, you know, I can hit some of my other sources that are actually on the ground in those facilities. And I got two different direct messages yesterday that my team sent over. And they said, hey, somebody sent this in saying that these 426 Hellphant engines are coming in with some other brackets, strut adjustments, and some other stuff for Dodge Chargers. And I went, no way, no way, no way. They didn't want to put the 426 Hellphant in the Demon 170. So I know Demon 170 owners would be royally pissed if this is the case. Because, I mean, of course they couldn't be working on another Demon, could they? Ugh. I hope this isn't one of the products that I missed. But let me show you what we're talking about. So I'm going to put this right here. So I got this image in, and you can see it's a box, you know, it's a crate. It's a box from Mopar that has the 426 on it. It's a Hellphant motor. It's a crate motor in the box. All right. Now, I got one person that sent me that, and then I had another person send me an image that showed like 320 of them stacked. I don't know what they're doing with 320 something 426 Hellphant motors in Windsor, Ontario, but I'm pretty sure they're not going in minivans, unless Rich Rebuild is doing something new and he hasn't told us all yet. Maybe he's starting a line of Chrysler Pacificas with Hellphant engines. I don't know. You didn't hear that from me, but I doubt that's the case. I think what's happening is we know that they've already tested the 5.7 liter Hemi in the Charger. We know that they've tested the 6.2 liter Hellcat engine in the new Charger. And it wouldn't surprise me in the least if they're going to throw some of these 426 Hellphant engines in them to give them a go as well. Now, I know you're going to say, well, why? Why would they put a 426 in this car? Well, you got to have something. You got to do something to cause excitement for this current iteration of the Charger, because right now it sucks balls. Nobody wants it. It's trash. It's straight doo-doo. Doo-doo brown. It's horrible. Sucks. It is disgusting. Okay? Maybe the inline 6 and the 5.7 Hemi are going to make it more palatable. I just don't see it. Sorry. 426, though? And this would go along with other stuff, because I saw people saying, oh, well, why would they manufacture something that looks like a Demon hood for that car? And I went, man, stop lying. And then there's Demon hood for that car. And I went, could they take, I mean, look, the two-door Charger is basically like the Challenger, right? It's a big old car. Could they turn that Dodge Charger two-door into a Demon? I don't see why not. I think it's going to royally piss off everybody with the first-gen Demon and the Demon 170 as they had to modify the Hellphant to be able to do that. Butter the inside or broke that years ago. But to see this 426 in the plant, it makes a lot of sense, right? It gives Stellantis and Dodge another car that they can compete toe-to-toe with, say, the Mustang GTD. Meaning, yeah, this is going to be a $200,000 or $300,000 car. Sure. Well, TK, aren't they building the Viper? Yep. They're going to build the Viper. They're going to build this Mamba thing. And I think the Mamba edition of that Viper, that black V12, probably Ferrari power plant vehicle, is going to be like the Ford GT, right? It's going to be a vehicle that Ford basically is paying somebody to build. I don't see any production line in the US that's going to build that car. I just don't. It's probably going to be in Canada, most likely. I mean, not saying that they couldn't, you know, maybe they have Hennessy do it. Like, I doubt it, but I'm throwing things out there. I'm just saying somebody's going to build it. It's not going to be Dodge. Okay. But the biggest thing for me, or the most interesting thing for me, is why is there 300 plus Hellphant 426 engines at Ontario right now? They ain't putting them in minivans. I'll leave it up to you though. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm sure this bottle is going to fill up with Demon 170 tears from owners if they end up putting that 426 in that car. I can already see it right now. Butter's going to be like, damn it, you petty. That was petty. It is petty. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But you can't. Haven't you learned enough from Stellantis and Dodge that if they tell you this is the last of anything, that shit is never true, ever, in life, not once? The TRX, final edition, it's never coming back. 2026, here comes the TRX. The Hellcat Durango, it's never coming back. We're going to have that friggin' thing till 2026. Look, man, you can't. Last call. And if you listen to what they said in the last call stuff, right? This is the last of the L-bodied cars. Didn't say it was the last of the Hellcat engine. That was the last of that build of that car. That's it. People got hooked. Anyways, I can't wait to see the owners of these Demon 170s extremely salty that there could be a new Demon in the works. Oof. I bet the values of them suckers are going to go like this. Anywho's, I'm kidding. Don't be sad. Turn that frown upside down. I can't. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'm so tempted to troll. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to be a better person. Give the video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And as always, stay petty, my friends. They gonna be so fucking mad.